reached out to him and wanted to get him on air, but Scott was too nervous to come on the radio. So Scott, I mean, if you're listening, just thank you for being the antidote to a lot of the crap that we've seen, you know, including that couple in Vancouver that was going out to Costco, cleaning out the Lysol wipes and selling them for a profit, or that guy in the New York Times that was hoarding a bunch of, you know, hand sanitizer and then was eventually kicked off of Amazon for doing so. But this is the kind of good news story that I think people need right now.
You know what an even better story is? The fact that he knew he'd be a lousy guest.
Yeah.
I wish we'd see more of that. Like, you know what? I'm not strong in talking. I'm not strong in expressing an opinion. I'm strong on actions.
What an idiot.
Explaining my actions. Thank you, Scott. Appreciate that. In apartment buildings, those who are less at risk are volunteering to do...
All right.